In today's video, I'll be talking about how to enter a trade or when to enter a trade. Before now, I had to learn from my major losses, and that helped me to differentiate an uptrend from a downtrend. So, when you want to enter a trade as a trader, either a crypto trader or a forex trader, the first thing you want to observe, I'm going to rotate this phone. So, the first thing you want to observe is to observe if the market is in a downtrend or an uptrend. So looking at this chart, the chart is in an uptrend. Let me zoom in. Okay. So what I normally do most times, I rather zoom out or zoom in. So in this aspect, I am going to zoom it out so we can see the candlestick patterns. So the other one I want to do now is this. What I normally do to view the chart, I like zooming in on the chart. Like if I zoom out, I will have a clearer view of what I want to do. So in today's video, I'm going to do it this way. How do you enter a trade? If the market is in an uptrend, do not hastily just rush into the middle of the chart and take your trade. There is a likelihood that the market may either reverse or it may move forward. But what you should bear in mind that when you are in an uptrend, you want to look out for a buy. Then where do you actually place your trade as a trader when you're looking at the chart? Look out for reversals, look out for pullbacks. If it's an uptrend, look out for when there is a pullback on the market. When you see that pullback, that is when you will take your trade. Also have your confirmation. What are the analysis that you take on that helps you to confirm if this is the right time to carry out a trade. So this is a chart. I'm doing this with a crypto chart. So the first thing you want to do, you can either choose one of your analysis, the support, either you choose your support or you choose your resistance. So if for instance you want to take on a trade, let me look at it this way. You want to remember this thing. Look at this place where you have a pattern, a reversal pattern. This part here, this place. Let me zoom out. So if you are looking out for a trade, this place you have a higher low is where you want to take on your trade, and then you look out for the higher highs where you can take your profit. That is one thing I normally do. So if you are a beginner, to avoid major losses, just as I had done previously, because I had to learn from my mistakes, I came to find out that look out for a buy in an uptrend market. And when you want to have your entries, wait for a pullback, wait for a reversal before you take on your entry. That is just my short video for today. So please do subscribe to this channel for more updates on how I carry out my trade. This is my comeback journey. This is my return to trading. So just see me how I read the chat, how I take on small wins, and also acknowledge my losses whenever I'm carrying out a trade. So thank you for watching this video to the end, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.